The admin password grants access to your T-Mobile hotspot settings, allowing you to configure Wi-Fi networks, data limits, and security options. Default credentials, like admin or password, are a major security risk. These are often printed on the device label for newer T-Mobile 5G hotspots. Hackers can easily exploit these common default passwords to intercept your data or take control of your device. Many defaults are among the most commonly used passwords worldwide. It's essential to change the default password immediately upon setup. Create a strong, unique password with at least 8 characters, including letters, numbers, and symbols. Protect your network by ensuring your hotspot uses a strong, unique password. Never leave default credentials unchanged. If you've forgotten your admin password, first check if your device supports remote management via the T-Mobile app or web portal. Many newer models allow password resets without physical access. If remote management isn't possible, perform a factory reset. Locate the pinhole reset button on your device, as shown in this image. Hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. This follows the hard reset process shown in this flowchart. The factory reset will erase all custom settings and restore the default login credentials. Remember to immediately set a new, secure password after the reset. If the default password does not work, consult T-Mobile support documentation or the device's manual for your specific model.